This is the story of how a small company in Grand Rapids, Michigan, with a passion for engineering and quality, created a line of pumps that have become the gold standard in applications where failure is simply not an option.
At Blackmer, we do one thing. We make quality pumps and compressors. We've been doing it for a long time, for over 100 years. We're very good at it. And we make that equipment for very specific industries. If you move liquids or liquefied gases in oil or gas production, or LPG distribution, or fuel transportation, even military and marine applications, you've probably used a Blackmer pump. No question.
When you do one thing, you learn to do it very well. And when you focus on your markets and your customers within those markets, you can predict their needs and innovate seamlessly.
To meet the standards that we've come to demand, it just makes perfect sense for us to control production from start to finish. From design to engineering to product support, it's all done right here. We get it done, we get it right, and we get it to our customer on time.
Blackmer is a vertically integrated operation. Everything we do is done right here. Chance plays no part in our reputation for quality.
No, there's no passing the buck at Blackmer.
But even the best process in the world is only as good as the people driving it. Much of the Blackmer workforce holds engineering degrees.
These folks definitely know what they're doing.
Yeah, it's funny. Some days I think about Blackmer being a big, small business. And then other days it's like a small, big business. But either way, it has its advantages. The bottom line is, when somebody has an idea or concern, they can call us. We have a lot of good people that take care of them. And the fact is, we know they like what we tell them because they tell us about it.
As part of Dover Corporation, Blackmer benefits from the strength and financial backing of a Fortune 500 enterprise, but remains agile and responsive to the needs of all its customers. Dover's Pump Solutions Group has a set of core beliefs that confirm and strengthen Blackmer's 100-year-old philosophy and continue to unify the company. Sustainability is just good business. Energy efficiency is nothing new to Blackmer. Our pumps and compressors have always been designed to deliver maximum output for energy input. Today, sustainability is critical to environments and economies worldwide, and Blackmer is ahead of the game.
We don't just have customers, we build relationships. These guys, they're really our fans. A lot of times, Blackmer's specified by name. No U.S. Navy surface fighting vessel has sailed without a Blackmer on board in the last 50 years. So we're proud of the reputation that we've earned in some really demanding environments.
It's my opinion, I think this is the best pump out there.
The reliability and never having to do a warranty claim on any of their products yet, it just speaks volumes for the type of company they are.
We pumped for about 2 days straight, so probably 24 hours of pumping. We pumped 300,000 gallons through my 10-wheeler with a 3-inch pump, with a 3-inch discharge, and probably averaging 270 gallons a minute. And by the end of the job, all it needed was a little grease. That's it.
When you can't just pull over, it's got to work every time. Blackmer does. Innovation is what we do. When a customer has an idea, Blackmer is the place to call.
Talking to GEC and other suppliers, they told me Blue wouldn't let me down.
They met all the delivery timelines. We had a very tight delivery, and Blackmer stepped up to the plate. It was a very proud moment for me to be a Blackmer distributor.
Whatever our customers need, we're going to work to make it happen.
The global economy is a reality, and by following our tried and true approach of quality, focus, and value, Blackmer has established a global network of distribution partners, allowing continued growth around the world.
We've put all the pieces in place. We've put in systems and infrastructure around the world, and we're growing globally. The immediate future for Blackmer is going to be an exciting time. Very exciting.
Through a century of dedication to innovation, quality, and value, Blackmer is the global leader in pumps and compressors known for unquestioned reliability and low cost of ownership. Regardless of your industry, no matter the liquids or gases you transfer or the conditions in which you must operate, it's almost certain that Blackmer has engineered a pump or compressor that exceeds both your demands and your expectations. Blackmer, a name you can trust anywhere, anytime. When it absolutely cannot fail, better get Blackmer.
PSG, where innovation flows.